It's not going to be easy for us, but it's not going to be easy for them either. Push people, push people, push people, push people. We inflict our game on the people. Put them under pressure.